Hey, you know what? You gonna get the gate? Get the old one back here.
They damaged every step, dear, right up to the edge of the floor.
I know. That's why I said this. Yeah. It is.
So to?
Yeah. Okay.
And you can even see them in the camera.
I'm sorry?
I mean, you can even see the dents in the camera.
We don't.
I'm doing this because this is all getting posted on the internet too. I mean, you know, it's not your fault. It's like they shipped, you know. They hung us up yesterday, and then
but that's no charge.
And it's the store that did that. The store didn't arrange delivery, and then by sheer bad luck, a defective refrigerator came in.
Sometimes you can get bad salesmen, But
yeah, he seemed pretty good.